In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom URL for your Vimeo profile. This is a great way to personalize your online presence and make it easier for others to find your content. So let's dive in and walk through the steps you need to follow. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Vimeo account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead, enter your login credentials and access your dashboard. Once you're inside, it's time to navigate to your profile. To do this, locate your profile picture, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Hover over or click on it and you'll see a drop down menu. From here, select profile to head straight to your personal space on Vimeo. Now that you're on your profile page, the next move is to find the settings option. Once again, head back up to the top right corner of your screen. In the drop down menu, you'll notice a settings gear icon. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll manage all the configurations related to your account. Next, you'll be taken to the settings page, and here's what you need to do. Look for the section labeled Profile and General. Click on it and this will lead you to the area where you can make adjustments to your profile details, including your URL. As you scroll through this page, keep an eye out for the Vimeo URL section. This is where the customization magic happens. Once you've found the Vimeo URL section, you'll see a field to input your desired custom URL. This is the unique part that comes after vimeo.com/. Take a moment to think about what best represents you or your brand. Enter your chosen URL carefully, as it will become your new online identity on Vimeo. Remember, it needs to be unique and not in use by another user. After entering your preferred custom URL, make sure you double check it for any typos, because once set, it becomes the way people will find and identify your profile. After you've confirmed everything looks good, it's time to save these changes. Look for the save button. It could be at the bottom or in an easily noticeable spot, usually highlighted to catch your attention. And there you have it, your Vimeo profile now has a custom URL that is uniquely yours, making it easier for viewers or potential collaborators to find your content. This small tweak can significantly enhance your professional appearance and make sharing your profile a breeze. Congratulations on setting up your custom URL. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to let others know and don't hesitate to dive into more of our how-to videos for other useful tips and tricks.